What's going on YouTube? This is Ken from Ken's How To's and Reviews, and today I am out here on a very overcast day and I am harvesting some of my blue turmeric that I planted in the, what was it, early spring. And you can see here I still have a few plants that are coming up here, but I pulled this one out of the ground because I thought it was ready. And I think it is for the most part, but I could have left it in the ground a little bit longer. I'll show you what I started with. So I started with this. This was kind of a big root that I got on eBay from Hawaii. And this was like this. It's a pretty big one. And I stuck that in the ground and it turned into these. And so I kind of pulled that apart to see what's going on with that. So that's bad. So I threw that away, but here's my root ball that I had, and this thing is magnificent. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of pull some of these roots away and get to this big root ball right here. And you can just smell how potent this stuff is when it comes out of the ground. And I've got some good roots coming in here. You should keep these and plant them next spring. But here's one of the ones that I pulled out of this one, and this one's fantastic. I'm just gonna cut this in half to show you how vibrant this is. Look at that. Wow. Smells good too and tastes really good. Blue turmeric is really used for medicinal purposes and tinctures and things like that, and this was a good batch. So yeah, it was successful overall. This was my first time planting blue turmeric. It was pretty easy, a little difficult to keep the disease away from it. You can see some of the leaves have some brown spot over there, but for the most part I've got a few good root balls and some good material to plant next year. And we'll let these grow a little bit longer and get bigger, and maybe harvest it in a couple weeks. Let those get bigger. But yeah, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, ask me any questions, and we'll see you next time.